Hello. Today I'm going to read a book to you. It's Miss Nelson is Missing. It is presented in a different format than the book that we read together in class. Miss Nelson is Missing on this one is written as a drama or a play, and I thought that was really fun, and I wanted to read it to you. I'm going to attempt to do voices. I think you'll find that's pretty funny. So it's a shorter version of the book than the one that we read together. So it's not even a full 2 pages. But it's broken down by the speaker, who is speaking. So if you go to a play, everybody has speaking lines that they do. You'll probably end up doing a lot of this for reading as you get a little bit older, because it's a fun way to practice your reading. We've got a narrator, Miss Nelson, narrator again, Kid 1, Kid 2, Kid 3, Kid 4. Anyways, I think I'll get started. I hope that you enjoy this. Miss Nelson is Missing by Harry Allard. It's a narrator, Kid 1, 2, 3, and 4, Miss Nelson, and Miss Viola Swamp. Ooh, you remember her. Narrator. The kids in room 207 were misbehaving again for Miss Nelson. They were the worst behaved class in the school. Miss Nelson. Class, now settle down. Narrator. But they would not behave. Kid 1. Whisper, whisper, whisper. Kid 2. Kid 2 says, ha ha, giggle, giggle. Kid 3. Hey, look at my funny face. Kid 4. Ha! Look, I can touch my tongue to my nose. Narrator. They were even rude during story time. Miss Nelson's line. Once upon a time, there were... Kid 3 says, do we have to do work? Kid 4. I don't want to. Miss Nelson. Well, I think something will have to be done about this. Narrator. The next morning, Miss Nelson did not come to school. Kid 1's line. Wow, now we can really act up. Kid 2 says, yeah, let's just be terrible. Miss Viola Swamp. Not so fast. A woman in an ugly black dress stood before them. It's Miss Viola Swamp's line. I am your new teacher, Miss Viola Swamp. Where is Miss Nelson? Never mind that. Open those books. This is the narrator's line. Miss Nelson's kids did as they were told. Miss Viola Swamp was a real witch. She meant business. She put them to work and gave them lots of homework. See how it's a lot like the book that we read? It's a little bit different though. You'll probably notice some of the changes. So here's Viola Swamp's line. We'll have no story hour today. Keep your mouth shut and be perfectly still. And if you misbehave, you'll be sorry. Days went by, and there was no sign of Miss Nelson. The kids were really missing her. After all, she was pretty nice. This is all the kids. I miss Miss Nelson. The kids tried to figure out what would happen to her. The kids tried to figure out what happened to her. They thought they would be stuck with Miss Viola Swamp forever. Then one day, it's Miss Nelson. Hello, children. Did you miss me? Kid 1 and 2. We certainly did. Kid 4. Where were you? Miss Nelson. That's my little secret. How about story time? All the kids say, oh, yes. Miss Nelson noticed that no one was rude or silly during story time. So this is Miss Nelson's line. What brought about this lovely change? All the kids. That's our little secret. This is the narrator's line. Back at home, Miss Nelson hung up her coat in the closet right next to an ugly black dress. She sang a little song. I'll never tell. So that's a drama or play. This is written as a play. So everybody has lines that they read. Normally you do this with several different people. And so everybody has, of course, their own voice. I tried to make voices for you, make it enjoyable. And I hope you really enjoyed the play Miss Nelson is Missing. It's a drama. Thanks.